Hey guys, so in the last two videos, I opened all of these from Mrs. Bench. That also concluded the package, but I still have more from Amazon, so let's get on to those. So first off is this really cute lamb poppet. I love it, it pops so good. This was the bad side, and this is the good side. It pops so good. Next, I got this really cute whale poppet. This is the bad side, and this is the good side. Holy crap, this is such a good pop. Then I got this octo flip. So cute. Then I got these globbles squish orbs. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!